Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. This easy method ensures a delicious meal without much fuss. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 pound of shrimp, 8 ounces of fettuccine, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Next, let's prepare our shrimp. Start by peeling and deveining 1 pound of shrimp, though you can leave the tails on for a nicer presentation. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add the shrimp and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the cooked shrimp and set them aside. Now for the star of the show, the creamy Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, ensuring it's well combined. Next, slowly add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it melts smoothly into the sauce. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly to a rich consistency. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Finally, let's bring it all together. Cook 8 ounces of fettuccine according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta, but reserve about 1/4 cup of the pasta water. Add the cooked fettuccine and the sautéed shrimp directly into your creamy Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure the pasta and shrimp are thoroughly coated. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.